Hey, what's up guys, this is Akshay and today we have with us our Pop OS running Gnome desktop, and in this video we are sharing my customization, my themes and plugins that I'm using to enhance the user experience. And that's the beauty of Linux, where you can customize everything. You can change how the application looks, you can change the background, you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can change the font itself. It's just amazing. So in this video I'm going to give a link to the description where everything would be given, so that you can just go ahead, download it, use it for your own desktop and create a wonderful combination of what I'm using or what's your thought is, and get a new desktop which is different from everyone. So as you can see, first of all, just stay cool and stay focused. This is a texture wallpapers you can download in the link in the video description. Everything would be in the description in one article. Okay, so first of all, after installing Pop OS or any distribution that's running Gnome, you have to install Gnome Tweaks. And installing Gnome Tweaks is simple. You can just download it from Pop Shop or any PPAs, as well as there's one more thing, which is the extensions plugin that connects Gnome Tweaks as well as the Chrome browser together, so that you can download stuff from the Chrome browser and get it one click install on your desktop, which is just amazing. I will also leave in the description. I won't show you the detail because I've already installed it, so stay tuned. So as you can see, this is the Gnome Tweaks, and first we will start with the appearance tab. Okay, so applications, I'm using Sweet Theme. So Sweet Theme is a very nice theme. Let me show you. Let's go to Chrome browser first. Let's go to the Gnome Shell extension website, which is extensions.gnome.org. Now this will list almost all our extensions. Okay, also we can browse Gnome themes. I exactly don't remember the website name, but it's gnomelook.org, and then Gnome Snell extensions.gnome.org. So first of all, as you can see, I also have Playing Store, so let's see if we can find in the Playing Store. So this is also an application that you can download from the Chrome extensions or GTK themes, and you can install themes directly from the App Store, which is just amazing. So Playing Store is loading. I think there should be some option for installed themes or something like that. I think it's GTK 3 themes. This is the GTK 3 themes, of course. So let's go. This is Sweet Mouse XCFC. So we got it. Sorry for the delay. So here you have it. I will leave all the links in the description so it's easy to just get it instead of searching it. So as you can see, the beauty of this theme is that applications looks very good. So as you can see, you have 3 color icons, minimize, and that is default, but there's colors in it. Also, if you open the file explorer, it looks really cool. You have black bars in the right, left, and white theme in the right. It just looks beautiful. You have this blue accent color, and applications looks just amazing on the Sweet Mars theme. So I'm using it and I'm absolutely loving it. Now let's see. Now for cursor, I'm using the Pop default cursor. For icons, I'm using Yaru, and actually didn't install it from Plink Store, but I installed the original Gnome desktop and I got this pre-installed from it. So that's how it is. So I have Yaru as an icon theme, so you can see nice orange icons which is everywhere. So even in the file explorer you can see this nice orange icons and stuff, which definitely you can try. Now let's see what else we have. Sound pop, again, default things. We have the texture wallpaper, nothing special. So only these Sweet themes, default theme and Yaru, these 3 combinations is creating this wonderful theme, which I absolutely love it. Now let's go to the extension side of things. So first of all, as you can see, you have the icons right here, which we call as Topicon's icon plus. Now this should be in default, so if you have application running, it will show icon here. It's surprisingly disabled in Gnome. You have to enable it manually through the plugin. So the plugin we call is Gnome extensions. You can find it, installed extensions. as you can see, top icons first. This extensions move legacy tray icons to the top panel and the fork of original extensions from AG and settings, opacity, saturation, pricing. And you have great settings that you can change size, so a little bit tweaked it and made it a little bit bigger so that it matches the whole icon themes. So there you have it. Also, you have one more thing is that I added the suspend button. So you can see here, there's a different button here which is suspend button. So it's not by default, so I enable it just because I will use it. Also, you have wonderful thing which is GS Connect. Like, I absolutely love it. You can just copy text from the phone and paste it on the desktop, vice versa. Send files instantly, which is just amazing. So GS Connect is there. You have all the settings and tweaks. As you can see, memory is connected, and you can do literally wonders of things with it. Everybody is using it. I don't think so I need to mention it. If you're using Gnome or maybe just any Linux distribution, it's available for all the distributions, so check that out. For KDE, I think it's KDE Connect. For Chrome, it is GS Connect. So there you have it. Also have desktop icons which I've enabled, as you can see. So there you have it. This desktop icons. Now application menu, add category based application menu, which is too simple, I don't use it. So these are some pre-installed stuff which I have disabled. Remove a drive menu, so if you add attach a drive, you can see it comes here and you can just click on this to eject it, which is wonderful. You have Ubuntu app indicators, which is the same thing as Topi icons plus. And again, user themes is necessary to install so that you can install all the themes. This is must have. So if you want to install those themes, you have to do this and install user themes. Workspace indicator and everything is disabled because I don't use too much of stuff here. So as you can see, let's go to the extensions website. It's better here. So clipboard indicator, yeah, I use it very much. Like, you can see what things have copied. I can just paste it instantly. Just click on it and there you have it. I can just copy it, which is also very good. And some things are installed by default, as I say, which I have disabled. For do not disturb, you have here do not disturb here, which is just amazing. And I'm using the default shell for Gnome because if you tweak anything, you don't get that good look, that white accent and black theme. So I'm using the shell theme as default as Pop OS. Now PopShop details is there, so add a show detail items to applications if PopShop is installed. So for example, if you install stuff from PopShop, you can get an option called show details. I think it's in the applications menu. Show details. Do you see this? So you can directly go to the PopShop, just like Play Store you do in your Android phone, which is just amazing. So that's there. Now this was just slow because I have a lot of things installed here. As well as you can see things which is disabled, which I don't use it at all. So these are my picks of Gnome extensions. Hope you liked it. There's some here and there tweaks that I did, like closing the lid, just turns off the computers and basic Gnome tweaks. This is how my desktop looks. I absolutely love it. It's fun to work with, and with this, all the texture wallpapers and customization, it just looks amazing. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.